Are you feeling lost or stuck in life? Do you find yourself constantly searching for meaning and purpose? In this video, we're diving deep into the wisdom of Buddhism and how it can guide us in avoiding a life of wasted potential. Lesson 1. Use your time well. Time is the most precious resource we have. It is the one thing that, once lost, can never be regained. Buddhism teaches us to value every moment and use it wisely. This doesn't mean filling every second with activity. Instead, it means being mindful and intentional about how we spend our days. Mindfulness is key to using time well. It involves being fully present in the current moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. When you are mindful, you are less likely to waste time on distractions or unimportant tasks. You become more focused and productive. Prioritize what truly matters. Identify your goals and values, then align your actions with them. This could mean spending more time with loved ones, pursuing a passion, or contributing to your community. Whatever it is, make sure it brings you joy and fulfillment. Avoid procrastination. It is a thief of time and a barrier to achieving your dreams. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Start with the most important or difficult task first. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and momentum to tackle the rest. Balance is crucial. While it's important to work hard and pursue your goals, it's equally important to rest and recharge. Make time for relaxation, hobbies, and self-care. This will help you avoid burnout and maintain a healthy, happy life. Time is fleeting. Use it to create memories, learn new things, and make a positive impact on the world. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Every moment is an opportunity to grow and make a difference. Lesson 2. Don't fear death. Death is a natural part of life. It is the inevitable end that awaits us all. Yet, many of us fear it, seeing it as a dark, unknown void. Buddhism teaches us to accept death as a part of the cycle of life and to live without fear. Understanding impermanence can help alleviate the fear of death. Everything in life is temporary, our possessions, our relationships, even our own bodies. Accepting this truth can bring a sense of peace and detachment. It reminds us to cherish the present moment and not cling to things that are bound to change. Meditate on death. This may sound morbid, but it can be a powerful practice. Reflecting on your own mortality can help you appreciate the preciousness of life. It can motivate you to live fully and make the most of each day. Cultivate compassion. Helping others and making a positive impact can give your life meaning and purpose. It can also ease the fear of death, knowing that you have made a difference in the world. Practice letting go. Attachment to material things, desires, and even our own identities can cause suffering. Learning to let go can bring freedom and peace. It can help you face death with acceptance and grace. Believe in rebirth. In Buddhism, death is not the end but a transition to a new life. Your actions in this life determine your future lives. Living virtuously and cultivating wisdom can lead to a better rebirth. This belief can bring comfort and hope, reducing the fear of death. Lesson 3. Live bravely. Bravery is not the absence of fear but the ability to act despite it. Buddhism encourages us to live bravely, facing life's challenges with courage and determination. Face your fears. Avoidance only makes fear grow stronger. Confront your fears head-on, one small step at a time. This will help you build confidence and resilience. Practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment can help you stay calm and focused, even in stressful situations. It can help you respond thoughtfully, rather than react impulsively. Cultivate compassion. Helping others can give you a sense of purpose and strength. It can also help you see that everyone faces challenges and struggles, making your own seem less daunting. Develop wisdom. Understanding the nature of reality can help you see things more clearly. It can help you make wiser decisions and act with greater courage. Believe in yourself. You have the strength and ability to overcome any obstacle. Trust in your capabilities and don't let doubt hold you back. Live with integrity. Stand up for what you believe in, even when it's difficult. This will give you a sense of pride and self-respect. It will also inspire others to do the same. Lesson 4. Find your purpose. Everyone has a unique purpose in life. It is the reason you are here, the contribution only you can make. Buddhism teaches us to seek this purpose and live in alignment with it. Meditate on your purpose. Spend time in quiet reflection, asking for guidance and clarity. Listen to your intuition and follow your heart. Take action. Once you have an idea of your purpose, start taking steps towards it. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start where you are, with what you have. Serve others. True purpose is always about more than just yourself. It's about making a positive impact on the world. Look for ways to use your gifts and talents to help others. Lesson 5. Love yourself. Self-love is not selfish. It is necessary for a happy, healthy life. Buddhism teaches us to cultivate compassion and kindness towards ourselves. Practice self-care. This means taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Eat well, exercise, get enough sleep. Make time for relaxation and hobbies. Set boundaries. Learn to say no. Don't overcommit yourself or allow others to take advantage of you. It's okay to prioritize your own needs. Forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Don't dwell on past errors or beat yourself up. Learn from them and move on. Celebrate your strengths. Focus on your positive qualities and accomplishments. Acknowledge and appreciate your unique talents and gifts. Challenge negative self-talk. Pay attention to your thoughts. When you notice negative or critical thoughts, replace them with positive, affirming ones. Seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Talk to friends, family, or a professional. You don't have to go through life alone. Lesson 6. Take action now. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Buddhism teaches us to take action now, not to put off until tomorrow what can be done today. Break down tasks. Large projects can be overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable parts. Focus on one step at a time. Prioritize. Not all tasks are equally important. Identify what needs to be done first and focus on that. Use a to-do list or planner to keep track of your priorities. Avoid distractions. Turn off notifications, find a quiet workspace, set boundaries with others. Do whatever you need to do to stay focused on the task at hand. Set deadlines. Having a specific time frame can motivate you to get started and stay on track. Make sure your deadlines are realistic but challenging. Reward yourself. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. This can boost your motivation and make the process more enjoyable. Action breeds action. The more you do, the more you'll want to do. So start small, build momentum, and watch as your productivity soars. Lesson 7. Live in the moment. The present moment is the only one we truly have. Yet, many of us spend our time dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Buddhism teaches us to live in the moment, fully present and engaged. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully aware of the present moment. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Let go of the past. The past is gone and cannot be changed. Holding on to it only causes suffering. Learn from it, then let it go. Don't worry about the future. The future is uncertain and out of your control. Focus on what you can do now to create the future you want. Engage your senses. Pay attention to what you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. This can help bring you back to the present moment. Single task. Multitasking can be distracting and inefficient. Focus on one task at a time, giving it your full attention. Make time for stillness. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection or meditation. This can help you stay centered and present. Lesson 8. Make life meaningful. Life is what you make of it. Buddhism teaches us to create a life of purpose and meaning, one that brings joy and fulfillment. Set goals. Having clear, achievable goals can give your life direction and purpose. Make sure they align with your values and passions. Help others. Making a positive impact on the world can bring a deep sense of meaning and fulfillment. Look for ways to serve others, whether it's through volunteering, donating, or simply acts of kindness. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on the things you're grateful for. This can help you appreciate the good in your life and find meaning in the everyday. Cultivate relationships. Strong, positive relationships can bring joy and meaning to your life. Invest time and effort in building and maintaining these connections. Pursue passions. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby, a career, or a cause, pursuing your passions can make life feel meaningful. Embrace challenges. Life's difficulties can be opportunities for growth and learning. They can give your life depth and purpose. Don't shy away from them, but face them with courage and determination.